I'm sorry there is no video today. My Boo Boo Bear died in my arms today at 4:30. He had bone cancer. I had scheduled to put him down today. It was no less hard, no matter how. We love our pets. I wish they lived longer. They didn't get sick. But he was a good kitty. This is what he looked like. He was gorgeous. I'll have a video up for tomorrow. I'm sorry. I just
My boo-boo's been sick.
have been really upset.
He seems to be on the mend.
Be blessed.
Katie, Nicola, Boo-boo, what are you doing? Sit down. Are you the prettiest kitty that's ever lived, other than your brother? You just won't let me have a photo of you, will you? You're just like, no pictures now. This is Boo-boo. Or sometimes Monkey. Oh, no, so close. So close. So close. Your love is too close. Your love is too close, my love.